1, 2, 3, 4.
Penis galore.
I'm gonna put that in the cold cut. Hello everybody and welcome back to TypoMan. We are playing with Virility Lupus and me, Jelix. Why are you so stupid? Gosh.
Wow.
Wow.
What a douche.
Okay, now we're back. In the last episode, we did some epic parkour, if I do believe. And now we're going to jump off these boxes. Really? Did you want to play now?
Yeah.
Alright, here you go, buddy.
Go.
Take over the control. I remember to start the timer this time. You guys proud of me? Probably not. Probably like, guys, it's so easy. You could do it. Well, you try running a Let's Play and making sure everything's working, and then also having to hit the timer.
Son of a bitch. Is there a hint? There's no hint.
You gotta walk away from it to get the hint. There you go.
Oh, I need another cover. I wish I could be dead on target, but too many things are going through my mind. Target?
Yeah, you're right. Oh, it's gonna shoot at the target, not you. Oh.
T.
Push it. Push it. Oh, I see what you did. You're cool. Pick up that A now. Pick up my A.
Pick up the...
Now throw that A. Slap that A. Oh, good job. You threw that A on that R. You can't do anything right now.
Get off the A!
You mean get off the R? Oh, you're gonna drop in the wrong spot. Oh.
Me.
Meat.
What?
It's shooting at the target only. Don't push it off the edge. Now you just have to jump through at the right time. There. Alright, why do these have numbers? 254316. Is that a code? Jump onto
Should
it.
we remember that?
I'm gonna write it down just in case.
54316.
54316 or
But
something
6
like that.
kind of comes before. Do I have to jump down on that?
Good job.
I hate my life.
Do we have to write target again?
I don't know.
Oh, I hate you.
Sorry.
There you go. There you go. Just leave it there. Go. Oh, that was risky.
Okay, they like float somewhat relative to each other. So how do I...
Wait, there's another hint.
Oh. I wish I could know. Oh wait.
Yeah.
Until my things are sorted out.
Write the word sorted. Go back.
Ah!
Gah! We should have known that you had to use words to solve puzzles. I like how the art style has changed so much from the beginning to the end. Like, it started out like this, like old, like, broken down, like, village area.
God dang it, target.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I should have told you to push target all the way to the end. But then, like...
Oh, what the heck, T?
Come on, T!
Come on, man! Wait, I'm just gonna write sort in the beginning. You know what? Because why not?
You can't.
Yeah, I can.
If you write in the beginning, then it's gonna shoot you. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait, you know what?
No, I need to be big enough to, you know.
Get, sort. Reget, sort. Arget, sort. Target, sort. Right.
Sweet. It's like right there.
That was scary. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, it's doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. So that code we thought was a code.
How much was it?
It's gonna fall down, don't worry.
Whee!
That's nice.
Hey.
Oh, that's
At least
nice.
for once, we actually get a staircase.
Yeah, right. We don't have to. We don't have to build one like we tried to that one.
Oh, okay.
We gotta jump through. Oh, stop! You're hurting me. You're like making me super scared. Now jump on those pancakes. Jump on them pancakes. Jump on the pancakes.
I feel like it makes you do better when you go.
Yeah, it helps a lot actually. That grunt sound effect, the microphone picks it up, so it's like, oh, he needs life, heart, fate. Oh gosh, it's gonna make hate and like fear. Yep, I knew it. Hurry, make life. Hurry. L-I-F.
I-L. Jesus. Oh god. Oh god.
Hurry.
No. 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 No.
Get
No.
out.
No. No! Oh. We ate it!
Oh no! Oh, that was the worst way to go.
Oh, come on!
Oh man, you gotta be quicker than that.
You gotta be quicker than that.
You gotta be quicker than that.
E F I L.
Go. These letters would just come a little quicker now. At least it didn't give you letters you didn't need.
Leave me alone, leave me alone.
Yeah,
Die.
take that. Oh, it doesn't kill him. It just. Oh, we're gonna push him into that gas chamber. That sounded.
No!
Oh no!
How could you? How could you?
Wait, I know what you need to make. It says you don't need the F. You need to make a lie so it eats the guys.
Oh, you're right, but I can't because I'm gonna die.
All right, just let him take you.
So I have to make a lie.
You have to make a lie to eat the one guy, but then you need to make life.
So,
you need to make lie and life.
and then let him eat the F.
Yeah. Man, this is intense. I wonder what that purple smog is down there. Alright, now make a lie.
Eat it. Eat the E. Eat the E. Or no, I need you to eat the F.
Alright, push it back together. Oh no, you're screwed. Oh gosh, he's gonna stab you. Oh,
He'll
there
stab
we
me
go.
once, but maybe I can make a lie now.
Yeah. Well, you need life again. Oh, he's stabbing you multiple times. Oh, you're done. You're done, son. He picked you up.
Sucks.
Wow. We're not doing good. If you die one more time, can I have a try?
Yeah.
Would you make lie real quick?
No.
Alright, then you gotta stay
And
inside.
then, no, and then I'm gonna make life, like right after it.
Alright, yeah, so I'm
'Cause-
saying, just stay right there. That's what I told you to do last time. No, don't move that. You're safe inside there.
I need to make it enough so I can get
No, you need life and lie.
stay over there. But now I can't make lie because he's sitting right there.
Yeah, you can. Just walk over a little bit to the left. You can reach the thing. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Just use the little wordsmith thing to fix it. Press X.
Oh.
And then just move the F real quick. Alright. Oh, jeez. Oh, gosh. Oh, my gosh.
Go this way. Go this way. Go this way.
Eat the guy.
I can't.
Oh, gosh.
The
Alright, let me try.
F was in the way.
The effing F was in the effing way.
F, man.